Today we're checking out this full aluminum radiator 3-row for the 1997 to 2004 Mustang with a manual transmission. If your Mustang needs a cooling upgrade and you want something that can do a better job than that factory unit, this is a simple but worthwhile mod that can help the car stay a lot happier when the temperatures start climbing. So it's definitely worth considering. The biggest feature here has got to be the cooling efficiency. This radiator is built in a 3-row format and it's designed to offer up to 40% greater cooling efficiency than that stock radiator, which is a strong upgrade for anybody driving in hot weather, sitting in traffic, or pushing their car a little harder than normal. That added cooling support can help the Mustang stay more consistent and be more confidence-inspiring behind the wheel, especially on older cars where the factory radiator may already be on borrowed time. The tube and fin design is also going to help improve the surface area and heat dissipation. So it's not just a basic replacement part, it's a performance-oriented part. That makes it a great fit for a daily driver, a weekend cruiser, or a modified car that just needs a stronger cooling foundation without getting crazy expensive. For the Mustang owner who wants better temperature control and a more durable setup, this is a really practical upgrade. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting T6061 aluminum construction in a 3-row tube and fin design. That aluminum build is going to be great for heat transfer and durability, while the 3-row setup and the tube and fin layout help increase surface area so the radiator can do a better job shedding that heat. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's going to come in right in the upper 100s range. That is a very appealing price for a radiator upgrade like this because you're getting stronger cooling performance than stock without having to spend premium money on a much more elaborate system. When it comes to the install, this is getting rated a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter since it's a direct fit install. And you can have this job done in just 1 hour of your time. Overall, this is a pretty simple radiator install. The hardest part of the job is going to be removing the fan and everything out of the way to get the new one dropped in and connect the tubes, but overall, it's a pretty straightforward install. That's going to wrap up my review of the full aluminum radiator 3-row for the 1997 to 2004 Mustang with a manual transmission. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.